Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Molen and this is Cook with Molen. And to my returning subscribers, asanteni sana. And by the way, feel at home, mmekaribishwa sana. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut fish, or rather fish in coconut cream, then in the simplest way ever. So guys, allow me to start this video. So guys, here I have one tilapia fish already fried. Then I have grated tomatoes, and the green things you are seeing there are bell peppers or green pepper. Then I have onions, chopped onions. I have coriander or dania. I have coconut cream. I don't know if you can see the writings, but it's written coconut cream. Then I have fresh green chilies, but this is optional. If you love chili, you can put chili. Then I have cooking oil. So I'm going to start by putting the onions into my cooking pan. Then I'm going to add oil. Then after adding the oil, I'm going to leave the onions to cook for 1 minute. The onions are ready. Next, I'm going to add the grated tomatoes and green bell peppers. Then salt and royco powder. Then I'm going to leave it to cook I'm going to leave the tomatoes to cook for 2 minutes. The tomatoes are ready. I'm going to add the coconut cream. So that is the coconut cream I'm adding. Make sure you squeeze until it's all out. So next I'm going to add water, a little bit of water, and then I'm going to put my fish inside there. And then I'm going to cover it and leave it to cook for 2 minutes. I'm going to turn the other side so that it can cook as well. Be gentle when turning because the fish might break. So I'm just going to leave the other side to cook as well. Guys, my fish is ready, as you can see. So next I'm just going to add coriander, or rather dania, and then I'm going to remove it from the heat.
Day breaks and I'm burned by the morning light. I make the same mistake more than twice. Same song, but brand new dance. I wear out my third second chance. You take my breath and I can't get it back. Might be time for me to face the facts. The best me is with you, but I know I got a lot to prove. They think we're too damaged to fix, but we're just working through a little rust. They like to say we're just young, but I know we won't give this up. Sometimes I lose my mind, and some days it's hard to find the reason why you stay by my side. You and I break our hearts open in half, just to see if we'll put them back. No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and I. It's you and I.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed every single bit of this video, and if you like the video, you can give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and help me reach 1K subscribers. We are currently at road to 1K subscribers. So guys, please help me reach 1,000 subscribers. So guys, the recipe was that simple. You can try it at home and let me know the outcome. So guys, allow me to end this video here. See you again in another next amazing video. Bye bye.